Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to use text-to-speech for YouTube monetization. Here are the main topics we will talk about in the video. What is text-to-speech video? How to publish content that gets monetized. How to make a text-to-speech video. What to avoid while making text-to-speech video. So, let's get started. This video is a complete guideline for you to make money from YouTube monetization by making text-to-speech videos. If you have heard about text-to-speech videos or making such content, but it's not getting monetized, don't worry. You have come to the right place. Just keep watching to know it all. What is text-to-speech video? First, let's know what a text-to-speech video is. It's basically a video made using text-to-speech technology. What you do is that you simply put the text in a text-to-speech software, and it will read the text out loud. For the video itself, you can either choose to put an animation or simply use the text as background. Now that you know what a text-to-speech video is, we jump to next, or perhaps the most important part: how to publish content that gets monetized. For you to know how you can get your text-to-speech video monetized, first, you must make such content that follows the YouTube guidelines for monetization. Then, there are a few other things that must be considered while making a text-to-speech YouTube video and getting monetized. The first is choosing a niche for your videos that will keep your audience engaged while using the text-to-speech method for making the videos. Secondly, make videos that can provide value to your audience. For example, you can make tutorial videos or user guides to different problems. Don't forget to add some unique ideas to your videos and offer real value. This will not only make your content original, but will help with monetization. A lot of you will be wondering how you can make such content. Don't worry, next we'll talk about it. How to make text-to-speech videos. There are many software out there that you can use to make text-to-speech content. The interface might vary from software to software, but the basic framework is similar. You put in the text, and the software will read that text out loud. There are a bunch of different options for voices that you can choose from. The best advice is that you choose the one with the most natural-sounding voice. What not to do? Now let's talk a bit about what to avoid, so your content doesn't get demonetized. There are two things you must not do to ensure getting monetized: is not making repetitive content and reusing others' videos. Repetitive content violates the monetization guidelines of YouTube, and using others' videos is never going to allow you to get your content monetized. So even if you are making a video that shares an idea with some content, make sure your original ideas are reflected in the commentary. I have given you the right kind of information that you need to know. The text-to-speech content really is the type of content that will get your videos monetized, how to make it, and the things to avoid. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.